Okay, so let's go ahead and create an inner class demo. We're going to show nested and inner classes, and then we'll use the inner class demo with the main method to create our object and test our class. We'll start off by creating a class here, and we're going to call it outer. In this outer class, we're going to declare a variable, an integer. We'll call it x and give it a value of 10. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and include a nested class. We're going to call it inner. Okay, and then here, this class will have a method that will print out the x variable. So let's go ahead and create this void method. We'll call it show, and then we will have it print out. So system out dot print with a new line. We'll just have it say show x and then x. Okay, let's not forget our semicolon here. Okay, now we're going to give outer. We're going to give outer a another method. We're going to call that void test. And what this method will do is we're just going to go ahead and create an inner object or class, and then like that. And then it's going to go ahead and call the show function. Okay. So because the class inner is declared inside of class outer, we can inner class has access to the x variable because it's within its scope. And then we're going to give outer a void method test that will create an inner object and then call that instance's show method. Okay, now what we're going to do in order to see this, we're going to go ahead and go into our main program entry point here, and then we're going to create an outer object. We'll call it outer. Okay, new outer. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and call the test method. All right, and let's go ahead and run and see what that gives us. All right, and there we go. It prints out show x. Okay, so let's quickly look back here. So we have a class. Outer encompasses all of our code here, basically. Inside of outer class, there's an inner class. An inner class has access or scope to the x variable. So we've given it a method to do that, to display that for us. And then here we've given outer a method called test that also basically creates the object inner and then calls its function show. And then when we are outside of that, we can create a outer object and then call the test method to have the display. So that's a quick example of nested or inner classes.